Good morning children. Welcome to our EVS class. Today we are going to discuss very interesting topic called I love my family. I love my family for second class children. Now we are going to discuss about nuclear family, joint family, relationships, sharing and caring, recreation in family. Recreation in family. Children, now I will ask one question. What is a family? Yes, you know. The people who live with us at our home is a family. The people who live with us at our home is a family. Okay children, come to the lesson. Our father and mother are our parents. Our father and mother are our parents. Parents and their children together make a family. Parents and their children together make a family. Children, father and mother are called parents. Father, mother and their children live together in the same house called a family. Father, mother and their children live together in the same house is called a family. Next, nuclear family. In your previous class, you have learnt that there are two types of families. In previous class, you have learned that there are two types of families. First one, nuclear family and joint family. Nuclear family and joint family. Nuclear family. A family which has one set of parents and their children is a nuclear family. A family which has one set of parents and their children is a nuclear family. See children, nuclear family means small family. There are different types in a family. There are different types in a family. These types are based on the members living in the family. A nuclear family is divided into two types. Small nuclear family, big nuclear family. First one is small nuclear family, big nuclear family. Small nuclear family. See this picture? Small nuclear family. A family in which parents and one or two children live together is called a small nuclear family. Listen children, I am saying again. A family in which parents and one or two children live together is called a small nuclear family. Big nuclear family. A family in which parents has two or more children is called a big nuclear family. See this picture, father, mother and four children. Father, mother and their four children. A family in which parents has two or more children is called a big nuclear family. Children, see this picture. See this picture. Here, by seeing the picture, you can clearly understood what is a small nuclear family and what is a big nuclear family. A small nuclear family, parents and one or two children. Parents and one or two children. But in a big nuclear family, there are about 3 children with their father and mother. More than about 3 children and their parents. Okay children, do you understand what is meant by nuclear family? See this picture children. A small nuclear family has parents and their one or two children. A big nuclear family has parents and their 3 or more children. 1, 2, 3, 4 children and their parents. Next, joint family. A family which has more than one set of parents and their children is a joint family. A family which has more than one set of parents and their children is a joint family. A joint family can be big or small. A joint family can be big or small. In a joint family, grandparents, uncle, aunts and their children live together. In a joint family, grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts and their children live together. In a small joint family, see here, small joint family, there will be only one grandmother and one grandfather, father, mother and their children. See here children, grandmother, grandfather, father, mother and their children. It is a small joint family. This is a small joint family. A big joint family. A big joint family has grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins, parents and their children. In a big joint family, more than one set of parents and their children live together. That means which family there will be grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, siblings and cousins. We call it as big joint family. See this picture children. There are parents, children, uncle, aunts and also grandparents. This is a big joint family. This is a big joint family. Next, we have some special families also. We have some special families also. A single parent family, a family without children. A single parent family, a family without children. Single parent family means the children will live only with their mother or only their father. That means they cannot live with both father and mother. They cannot live both father and mother. Next, a family without children means a family in which there are no children. A family with there are no children. Next, relationships. The members of a family are related to each other. The members of a family are related to each other. Your father's parents are your paternal grandparents. Your father's parents are your paternal grandparents. Your mother's parents are your maternal grandparents. All the members of the family are related to each other. The parents of your father are called paternal grandparents. Your father's parents are called paternal grandparents. And mother's parents are called maternal grandparents. Mother's parents are called maternal grandparents. Next, brother of your mother is your maternal uncle. Brother of your mother. Your mother's brother is called maternal uncle. Your mother's brother is called maternal uncle. Sister of your father is your paternal aunt. Sister of your father is your paternal aunt. Your father's sister is your paternal aunt. Children of your uncle and aunt are your cousins. Children of your uncle, aunt are your cousins. Your uncle and aunt children are called your cousins. Your uncle children or aunt children are called your cousins. Children, here one activity is there. Shall we do? First one. You are your uncles. You are your uncles. Nephew, niece. If you are a boy, you have to circle nephew. If you are a girl, you have to circle niece. Okay. Next, you are your grandparents, grandson, granddaughter. Same children, if you are a boy, you have to circle grandson. If you are a girl, you have to circle granddaughter. Next, your father is your mother's. Your father is yours mother, husband, wife. Your father is your mother's husband or wife. What is the answer, children? Your father is your mother's husband. Your father is your mother's husband. Next, your mother is your father's aunt and wife. Your mother is your father's aunt or wife. Aunt or wife. Your mother is your father's wife. Next, your sister is your father's. Your sister is your father's son or daughter. Your sister is your father's daughter. Your sister is your father's daughter. Sharing and caring. Sharing and caring. Family members love, help and respect one another. Family members love, help and respect one another. All the family members love, help and respect each other. All the family members love, help and respect each other. Parents take care of all the needs of their children. Parents take care of all the needs of their children. Children should also help their parents. Children should also help their parents. In a family, father and mother are take care of their children, and children also help their parents. Let us see how Eva parents look after their children. Eva's mother Madhu cooks food for the whole family. Eva's mother Madhu cooks food for the whole family. She brings fruits, vegetables and grocery from the market. See children, now we will see how Eva's parents take care of their children. Eva's mother cooks food for the family. Eva's mother cooks food for the family. Who is Madhu, children? Madhu is Eva's mother. Madhu is Eva's mother. Children, who is Madhu? Who is Madhu? Madhu is Eva's mother. Madhu is Eva's mother. Children, who cooks food? Who cooks food in your family? Who cooks food in your family? Who, Nana? Yes, our mother. Our mother cooks food in our families. Same as that, Eva's mother also cooks food in her family. And the outside things, that means she brings fruits, vegetables, etc. She went outside, she brings fruits, vegetables, etc. She helps Eva and her brother in their studies. Eva's mother helps their children studies. She manages the house very well. She manages the house very well. Eva's father Rohan works hard to earn for the family. He helps Eva's mother in the household work. Who is Rohan, children? Rohan is Eva's father. He works hard to earn money for the family. Children, our father is also doing hard work to earn money for us. Is this right? Yes, our father is also doing hard work. Why? Because of to earn money for us. Next, Eva's grandparents also help Eva and her brother with their studies. They also help Eva's parents in the household work. Household work means such as cleaning, gardening, ironing, that have to be done. That have to be done regular at home. Eva's grandparents also helps Eva's and her brother studies. Her grandparents also help Eva's and her brother with their studies. They also help Eva's parents in the household work. Her grandmother narrates interesting stories to the children every night. Narrate means telling stories. Every night, Eva's grandmother tells them interesting stories. Every night, Eva's grandmother tells interesting stories. Children, do you like stories? Yes, all the children likes stories. Eva and her brother also do small works at home. They water the plants, help in cleaning, etc. Children, you also have to help your mother in household work. Yes, you do small works for helping your parents. That means watering the plants and cleaning your father's bike and bringing vegetables from the shop. When your father enter the house from office, give him water. Parents feel very happy when their children help them. Parents feel very happy. If you help your parents, then they feel very happy. If you help your parents, your mother and father feel very happy. Next, recreation in family. Recreation means enjoyment. Recreation means enjoyment. Enjoyment in family. Members of family have fun together. Members of family have fun together. They enjoy and have recreation. They enjoy and have recreation. Recreation means activity done for enjoyment. When one is not working, for example, walking, swimming, playing games and dancing. Let us see how Eva and her family members have recreation. How Eva and her family members have recreation. First picture. Eva dances while her grandfather plays piano. Eva dances while her grandparents plays piano. When Eva's grandfather is playing piano, Eva dances. Next, Eva and her mother go for a swim together. Eva and her mother go for a swim together. They often go for Eva and her mother go for swimming together. Both are going for swimming. Next, Eva's family members play games together. They are playing games, inside games. What are they? Caroms, chess, etc. Next, occasionally they all visit a park for a picnic. They often go for picnic now and then. They often go for picnic now and then. Eva's family is very fond of going a circus. Eva's family is very fond of going for a circus. Eva's parents like going to a circus. And Eva's grandparents accompany the children to a zoo. Her grandparents will go to the zoo along with their children. Besides the above, the family also goes out for watching a movie or for shopping for more recreation. They visit many famous places during the summer vacations of the children. Besides the above, the family also goes out for watching a movie or for shopping for more recreation. They visit many famous places during the summer vacations of children. They also spend time together, the festival times and sorry children. They also goes out for movies, shopping, famous places and summer vacations at the children. Festival times is also a time for the family to enjoy. Attending parties or weddings is a lot of fun and enjoyment. They also spend time together, the festival times and attending parties or weddings is a lot of fun and enjoyment. A lot of fun and enjoyment. Children, have you understood? Children, have you understood the lesson? I will ask few questions. First, tick the correct option. Your father's father is called paternal grandfather. Paternal grandfather. Next, sister of your father or mother is your father's sister or your mother's sister is called aunt. Next, your mother's father is your mother's father is your maternal grandfather. Mother's father is called maternal grandfather. Next, a family which has more than one set of parents and their children is a family which has more than one set of parents. A family which has more than one set of parents and their children is a big joint family. More than one set of parents and their children is a big joint family. Is this right, Nana? Yes, Nana. This is a big joint family. Next, our father and mother are our father and mother are our parents. Our father and mother are our parents. A small nuclear family has parents and their one or two children. Brother of your mother is maternal uncle. Brother of your mother is maternal uncle. Your mother is your father's wife. Your mother is your father's wife. Children, recite the question and answers along with me. First one, what is a joint family? What is a joint family? A family which has more than one set of parents and their children is a joint family. A family which has more than one set of parents and their children is a joint family. Next, what is a nuclear family? A family which has one set of parents and their children is a nuclear family. Say along with me. A family which has one set of parents and their children is a nuclear family. Next, what type of families do you have? What type of family do you have? Nuclear family. Write any two things that you do. Write any two things that you do to help your family members. Watering the plants, bringing grocery from the market. Watering the plants, bringing grocery from the market. Okay, children, copy these questions in your notebook and learn. Do practice 5 times in your slate. Thank you.